How many of you are being called in a particular direction and you're just not sure how to become the person that can answer that calling with full faith? That's a good question. And I guess now's a good time to tell you that I'm offering you this 8-week journey of becoming. It's less about doing and more about becoming. Becoming the person that allows this vision to come to life. They don't make it, they allow it. Because at some point, you will realize that you've even outgrown the need to avoid. You'll realize, oh, I've been stuck in this loop of avoiding my responsibilities. But that's not even me anymore. You'll realize at some point it takes more effort to maintain this version of yourself that you've entirely outgrown. You'll come to this realization that you've completely outgrown this version of yourself, and you're like, why am I still holding on to them so tightly? It's because you don't know anything else. It's because you don't know anything else. You're in this liminal space. And I host these live sessions on my social media, and I had a girl come on the other day, and she's just explaining to me how she just doesn't know who she is anymore. You know, she's not who she was, and yet she's not who is becoming. And she's just speaking with so much, like, you can feel the angst, the frustration, just the dire need to figure out what is going on. And I know that feeling because I was there. But I realize, like, I'm holding on so tightly to this need to figure out exactly what is going on. But what if that is not my purpose right now? What if this season was to simply be confused? What if we were supposed to be confused? What if it wasn't supposed to make sense? And these phases of integration are uncomfortable. And I understand why people avoid walking the path of their truth, because there's so much uncertainty, and we love certainty. Humans love certainty. It's natural to want to avoid a path that is unclear, yet you feel so magnetized to it. And I'm here to ask you, isn't that pull enough of an answer for you to answer that call? Isn't that feeling enough of clarity? Enough clarity for you to pursue it? Some of us might argue, no, I need more answers than that. How am I supposed to feel safe and secure? Well, you make up for the rest of the unknown with your faith, and by allowing your intuition to guide you, because your intuition will always guide you in the direction that is meant for you. It will always guide you in the direction of your truth, only if you learn how to listen. This is the path of following your truth. And it's not easy. It's not cute at all. It looks really, really ugly on the outside.